Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction in Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Cronos (CRO) is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. Cronos was launched by the Crypto.com company as part of its vision of putting cryptocurrency in every wallet. Crypto.com itself was founded in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies GmbH by Chris Morselek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Crypto.com. The Crypto.com, it is one of the first cryptocurrency companies to be certified with ISO 22301-2019, the international standard for business continuity management. Singapore, February 17, 2022, Crypto.com today announced that it has been awarded the renowned ISO 22301 certification, the internationally recognized standard for business continuity management, BCM, and is one of the first cryptocurrency companies in the world to earn this coveted accreditation. Crypto.com continues to lead the industry with information security and privacy certifications, demonstrating our commitment to further strengthening our platform and service offerings on multiple fronts. The ISO 22301 certification was awarded by a globally recognized certification body, the British Standards Institution (BSI), which demonstrates to regulators, users and all interested parties that Crypto.com employs best industrial practices in business continuity management. It also highlights the maturity of Crypto.com's business continuity and disaster preparedness. It also points to the assessment that the company has implemented effective business continuity plans and processes to minimize business interruptions and to maintain critical operations at an acceptable level of service to users in the event of disruptive incidents. ISO 22301 demonstrates that business resilience is embedded into Crypto.com's operations, said Jason Lau, Chief Information Security Officer at Crypto.com. Resilience is an important part of our business operations to ensure that we react and adapt to changing circumstances in a systematic way. ISO 22301 is a reputable standard in the financial industry, and with the addition of ISO 22301, Crypto.com further strengthens its governance controls with ISO 27001. On February 8, it managed to break out from this channel, and then return to validated as support 2 days later, green icon. Currently, BTC seems to be in the process of breaking out from a short-term descending resistance line. Doing so would likely lead to an upward movement towards new highs. That similarly to BTC, Ethereum, ETH, has been increasing inside an ascending parallel channel since January 24. What went wrong in the Crypto.com CRO hack? Experts weigh in. The Crypto.com hack is less than a week old and still very fresh in the minds of investors in the space. In what was a brief attack, the hackers were able to access a portion of users' accounts on the platform and steal their funds. In this report, we asked a couple of experts in the crypto security space their thoughts on the hack and what could have led to it. These experts provide insight into the attack, as well as how this reflects on decentralized exchanges when it comes to security and control on the part of the users. Crypto.com 2FA breach. It is now a widely known fact that the Crypto.com hackers got in by somehow managing to bypass the 2FA security measures on the site. However, what remains a mystery is how the attackers were able to do this. The exchange itself has not spoken on the mechanism implemented by these hackers, so we turn to experts in the space to shed light on how this was possible. Gleb Zykov, the co-founder and CTO of HashX, a blockchain security company that focuses on smart contract code auditing, shared with Bitcoinist how the hackers could have gotten into the system. 2FA authentication is a security measure that is triggered when a user logs in, creating a one-time password that matches the one created on the site. 2FA apps are usually on the user's phone, so only they have access to this code. How then were the hackers able to get in? Zykov explains that one of the ways to bypass this measure was using a Trojan. Basically, the attackers compromise users' devices with a Trojan which will then intercept the user's credentials. The hacker is then able to access the user's account using the intercepted code to log into their account. 2FA can be vulnerable as well. The user's device can be compromised with a Trojan. The Trojan can intercept the user's credentials and the one-time password generated on the website. Then it can allow a hacker to log into the user's account or monitor the user's communication with the site. Gleb Zykov, co-founder and CTO, #X. This would mean that individual users' accounts were compromised as opposed to the exchange's wallet itself, which is usually the case. The exchange has since asked users to reset their 2FA and log back into their accounts. Brian Pawfield, CTO at Fringe Finance, also weighed in on the attack. Pansfield explains that the attackers most likely found a vulnerability in Crypto.com's security system. It could even be the encrypted reserve copies needed for the recovery of accounts created by the exchange's 2FA software, the CTO noted. This would have allowed them to access and steal funds from users' accounts on the exchanges. As for the time of the attack, it was still unclear as to how much the hackers got away with. This report from Wealthier Today states that around $15 million in ETH was said to be stolen, according to a report from PackShield. Others have speculated that it was much higher. Pseudonymous researcher Ergug posted that an additional 444 BTC was said to have been lost in the hack, bringing the total loss to around $33 million. Crypto.com corroborated this figure in a statement on Thursday that said that hackers had indeed made off with over 4K ETH, 443.93 BTC, and about $66K in other currencies. Crypto.com coin and our price prediction for the next couple of years is what we have for you in our video. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. As 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. First, let's see what it is before moving on to price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Crypto.com coin, CRO, a good investment? How much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 2025, or how much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 10 years? Price prediction for 2022. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Crypto.com coin will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2022, CRO is expected to peak at 66 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 56 cents if the market turns bullish. Price prediction for 2023. The value of Crypto.com coin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. CRO is expected to reach a maximum rate of 95 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Crypto.com coin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average CRO price will be between 81 cents and 84 cents expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum CRO price ranges from 81 cents to 95 cents for 2023. Price prediction for 2024. The current price range of Crypto.com coin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore CRO can reach $1.43 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.25 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary